Get some footage of the side trail going to the Epping lookout, or John Muir lookout. Friend Paul in the lead. Just to bring everybody up to speed, today's the 5th, is it? Mm-hmm. September 5th, Saturday of the Labor Day weekend. So what had happened during my last outing, on my 4th day, the blisters on my feet got pretty bad, to the point where it was pretty painful to walk on. And the distances that I was trying to do were just not possible with the blisters and pains in my calves, the gear that I had. And because I also took my camp blanket instead of my sleeping bag, there was going to be an even colder night coming up, so I made the decision to get off trail. Luckily, was able to find a B&B nearby that the gentleman was quite kind enough to come pick me up in Epping, so that's where I left off. Spent the night just outside of Epping, and I'm now here with my friend Paul for the Labor Day weekend for all 3 days. We'll be making our way to the Ambrose camp, just outside of the Beaver Valley Sydenham clubs. So we'll be making camp there for tonight. Tomorrow will be an easier day with only 16K for trail hiking, and we'll be making camp at the Big Head campground, which we'll be anxious to check out and see what's there. And then on to Woodford, and that's what we'll be calling it quits on Monday. So far it's been a pretty nice day out. So we're just taking a bit of a break so I can do this video and collect our thoughts and our stuff to get ready for the rest of the hike. And we'll check in again later. See ya. So can't really see the waterfalls, but this is right where the Fairmount side trail and main trail meet. Could be an old mill, see the portion of an old wall. sample of what the trail might look like. This is nice and manicured compared to some of the other sections we've gone through. So just another sample of change of trail. Road up ahead. No idea what's the sound in the background. Cows by the sounds of it. Let's see if I can manage to get back without killing myself here. Of course, now that we're past the rocks, it gets a little cleaner. And this is where your 4 or 5 kilometers an hour comes to quite a bit to a slower rate as you start negotiating crevices, rocks, tree roots, filming. Oh, that didn't last very long. Paul's causing trouble. Hey, Paul. Last 100 meters of the Beaver Valley Club. Can't wait, here we go.
So how many clubs have you completed now, Michael?
7. So just Sydenham and Peninsula Club remaining.
And how do you feel?
Tired.
Yeah.
In need of beer.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Paul. Hey folks, so Paul and I made it to the Ambrose camp. So just taking a wide shot here. There's a little bit of a little trail, and there's a spot over here where another tent can go up. But there's a spot for a tent here next to the cabin or shelter, and a fire pit, some wood, and a spot for another tent. And there's Paul looking at his phone. Bruce Trail Club 00, well, looks like 8001, and welcome sign. And there's a stream right down there. And inside, can't really see much. Let's see if I can't. Yeah, no, not really. So looks like somebody's got a, I'm not sure if we can see it here, but it looks like a little bit of a clothesline. Looks like somebody left some trail magic. So let's take a look. And beans and an ear of corn. Logbook. Ambrose Camp Shelters and Ambrose Trail Club. Oh, looks like it's all from this year. August 19th, 14th. Looks like, let's go back. Comments, June, August 1st, 18th, 31st, September 1st. The trees are not what you think they are. Very cryptic. And that's it. So it looks like the last person that was here was September 1st. So Paul and I are going to set up our tents, build a fire, get dinner ready, and we'll check in with you guys later. See ya. All right, now that everything is all set up and dinner's done, had some backpacking fajitas, wee little BRS stove, and now that I got my headlamp, check out the, there we go, check out the cabin a little bit more. So, pretty good shelter. Lots of room. No door, so you still have to worry about bugs, but otherwise it keeps you out of the elements. That's it. And so Paul is on one side, and here's my setup. LanShan 2 Pro. Lots of room. Take it down to the stream. Not too far. So in case you missed it, this is all at the Ambrose camp, which is just on the other side of the Valley or Beaver Valley and Sydenham border at the Bruce Trail. So water source, of course, needs to be treated. And that's it. All right, folks. Well, gonna pack up a little bit and head into the tent. It's been a nice long day, but pretty tired. Gonna get rested up, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow.